I bought this Mitsubishi Lancer for $500. It was abandoned on a farm for over 12 years. Promise me this car only had 45,000 miles and that it stopped running. But looking at its condition, I really doubt it. My mission: completely change its look with new wheels and install a turbo kit. Is it even possible to do that to this junk car? Watch to find out. This Lancer was stuck in a family estate inventory for years. No one wanted to deal with the paperwork. And during all those years, this poor car just sat there, abandoned, until one of the heirs finally sorted out the documents and sold it to me for almost nothing. The problem is that almost nothing can turn into a lot of money depending on what we find under all this dirt. And there's one thing I can't stop thinking about. They guaranteed this car only has 45,000 miles. If that's true, this engine is practically new. If it's a lie, then I got scammed. The part that worries me the most is this engine. It's a 1.6 DOHC Japanese engine. When it works, it's a beast. But look at the condition. Rust everywhere, dried out hoses, and I don't even know if there's oil inside. They told me it stopped running, but that's very hard to believe. First, we need to clean this engine as much as possible to get an accurate diagnosis. The mechanic is the one who will tell us the truth. Now comes the part that's going to make this project even more expensive. We're about to discover how bad the disaster is under all this grime. I already know the bodywork is going to be very expensive. The paint is way worse than I expected. Sun and rain destroyed the clear coat. In some spots, the paint peeled all the way down to bare metal. Polishing won't fix this paint job. We'll have to repaint the entire car. Will our body shop guy even accept this job? The mechanic arrived to check the condition of this Lancer's engine and see if it can handle the modifications and the turbo kit we're planning to install. And right away, he was shocked. The oil dipstick is dry. There's not a single drop of oil in this engine. He opened the coolant reservoir and everything was black, full of oil and impurities. There was even a bolt inside. That can mean two things. Either the engine seized before it stopped, or the head gasket blew. To be sure, the mechanic will need to remove the entire engine and tear it down. Now we just have to trust his work.
Yeah. Nossa.
Now let's wash the underside. Years of dirt from abandonment. There's mud and a lot of rust. Will we be able to recover it? What do you think about the result underneath? Did our team do a good job cleaning it? The original wheels are gone. The car came with these old, small wheels. We're cleaning everything to see the real condition. We managed to clean the wheels, but they don't match our project. I'll need to buy a complete set of wheels. This project is getting more expensive every step of the way. Now comes the part that hurts the wallet, buying parts. There will be several basic parts, but most importantly, the turbo kit the mechanic requested, and a set of wheels. I chose a model that will give this Lancer a much more aggressive look. The wheels will cost $800 and the turbo kit will cost $1,500. This project is getting very expensive. The body shop guy came to check the situation and said he had never seen a car this abandoned. He wants to charge me $1,000 for the complete bodywork and paint job. If he really manages to recover this body, the price isn't that bad. Including the car purchase, mechanical work, parts, and bodywork, this project has already passed $3,800. Now we trust the body shop and hope the engine comes back to life. He didn't waste any time and already started the heavy work. Now it's time to wait and see how far this Lancer will go. While we wait for the car's bodywork to be finished, I went to check on the engine restoration process with the mechanic. He carried out the engine diagnosis and found that it would need a full remachining. And remember the turbo kit I had bought? It arrived and is already in the mechanic's hands. Will the result turn out good? The interior of this Lancer is in sad shape. The leather seats are filthy, the dashboard is covered in mold, and the smell is pure abandonment. We'll need to remove everything inside and clean every single piece to see what can be saved. This is the moment that decides whether the project continues or if I'll have to give up. We managed to clean and restore almost everything, and I've got good news. The floor is not rotten. That's a miracle for a car that spent so many years abandoned on a farm. One more point in favor of the project. After days of heavy work, the moment arrives when there can be no mistakes. Paint time. The body shop chose a pearl white that will make this Lancer look brand new. Let's hope everything goes well. The mechanic is reinstalling the engine. He fully disassembled it, replaced the necessary parts, installed the turbo kit, and said the engine wasn't seized. It just overheated due to lack of use. But he didn't guarantee it will work on the first try. The body shop guy finished his part. Now it's up to our team. We'll sand and polish everything to give this Lancer maximum shine. It's time to see how our abandoned Lancer turned out. You're seeing the Lancer when it was left on a small farm covered in grime, without wheels, with a seized engine. And after a lot of effort, look at the transformation. Do you think the result looks good? Was all this effort worth it? The mechanic managed to get the car running, and its mileage is 68,000 miles. Was this deal worth it? The total investment was $4,000. A Lancer in this condition, with this mileage running perfectly, is worth between $8,000 and $10,000. That means a profit of at least $4,000. This Lancer that everyone thought was a lost cause became one of the most profitable projects on the channel. Comment below, do you think $8,000 is a fair price for this Mitsubishi Lancer? Let me know. I read all the comments. If you enjoyed this project, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because every Saturday at 2 p.m. there's a new video here on the channel.